Hello mga amiga Obigo, so real talk muna tayo ngayon. Mag-interview tayo ng mga overseas Filipino workers dito sa Thailand. Mostly, they are all teachers. May mga tanong tayo na sasagutin nila. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, first question natin kay Maring Marites. Taga saan ka pala, Marites?
Ako from Olongapo, Zambales.
How many years ka na dito sa Thailand?
Oh, I've been here for 21 years.
21 years, oh my goodness. So ito yung unang tanong. What inspired you to become a teacher in Thailand?
Ano ba aking inspirasyon para pumunta sa
Inspiration mo.
Thailand? Unang-una is ang aking pamilya. Because alam naman natin ang buhay sa Pilipinas, kahit guro ka sa private school, hindi ganun kalaki ang sahod mo. So, gusto ko na maging maayos ang buhay ng aking pamilya, especially ang pag-aaral ng aking mga anak. So, kaya ako ay pumunta rito sa Thailand dahil nasa maliit ang sahod ko sa Pilipinas. Ako ay nasa private school, pero ang aking sahod ay hindi ganun kalaki. So, nung may nag-invite sa akin dito, but actually, my father was working also here in Thailand. At siya rin ang kumuha sa akin dito. At yung kaibigan naman ng family ng husband ko ang nakahanap ng work para sa akin. At ako ay unang na-assign sa Lopburi.
So, ang inspiration mo ay yung pamilya mo.
Yes.
Okay, next nating tatanungin si Grace. Taga saan ka, Grace?
Taga Pulilan, Bulacan.
From Bulacan, Miss Bulacan. How long have you been here in Thailand?
Well, I've been here over 10 years.
10 years, 21 years si Marites, si Grace, 11 years. So what inspired you to become a teacher in Thailand?
Firstly, ang family. Mangalawa, mag-change naman ng career.
Pero teacher ka sa Pinas din.
Hindi po.
Kaya pala ma-change ng career.
Hindi po. Dito po ako naging teacher sa Thailand. Sa Pilipinas po ay empleyado ako ng gobyerno.
Kaya
For
pala.
15 years.
Wow.
At sa private company naman ay 5 years.
Thank you so much,
You're
Grace. Ito naman si Miss Kat. From where are you?
I'm from the land of Tubu.
Negros.
I'm from Negros Occidental, and yeah, I've been teaching here for 3 years already.
Pero how long you been here in Thailand?
3 years.
At Miss Kat, ito ang tanong para sa iyo. What inspired you to become a teacher in Thailand?
What inspired me is their system here, and I really want to experience what does it feels like to be a teacher in a different country where you can really see the difference of the system. One thing that I really admire of is the needs of the child. Kinikater talaga nila, especially yung nap time for kids. At saka they give milk every day, free milk, and lunch for everyone and for
Yes,
teachers
that's
as well,
true.
which is very important to as a human need. So yun talaga yung isa sa mga napa-inspire sa akin at to learn more about their culture. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ladies.
Hi,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan,
Bye.